Let's go check the fence line. Go see where your barking buddies are. Minnie always follows Budge. She loves Budge. Budge loves her. Look at there. Budge is looking through the fence for his barking buddies out there. He has some barking buddies that he really loves to bark with. And Minnie's right there too. Minnie goes and looks through the fence just like Budge does. See the toy he's got in his mouth? Does that look familiar? Budgie, look. You got lime green man with you. See, there's a barking buddy right there. He's already discovered Budge.